All right, let's go over again. 13, bounce, main play is long, and we believe that we're gonna get eventually, someday this year, our target 129 from 13. 13 to 29, how many points is that? 15 points? That's what we're after on this long 13. So that's it. That's all there is to it. What else? Could it go back to 13 and take it? Of course. If it takes it, then we just have to desist of being long because 13, the bears are going to take cover. Oh, okay, but is it going to go to 07? We're going 07, 04. Now, target 1 for the bearish play is a 3-point range 04, 07. It's not going to be taken easily. So it needs to be target 1. That's in the back burner. We are long right now on our way to 29. All right? That's it. 29. So we're after 16 points. 13, 29, that's 16 points, right? That's what we're after. Target 1. It's a beautiful day, even though massive, humongous chop, which is everyday trader's nightmare, right? Chop. I love it because this is the day that the fake gurus on YouTube cannot continue conning so many innocent traders. Day like today. So I love this type of day because these are the type of day that you know that your coach, it's for real. It's the real thing or not. Not that the fake gurus on YouTube they don't trade live in front of anybody. They don't, right? So, but those who dare today, they're out of business today. They like today, and they like yesterday as well, by the way. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, 13 just split. It's a 2-point range now. 13, 11. Okay, very important that we know that. Ready? So this is a bold statement, right? Oh my God, really? It's above 13, but the bears are taking over? Of course. If you wait for 13, then you're taking a break out to the downside. And we know that a clean break of 13 now is a 2-point range, 11, 13. Then we are expecting a continuation all the way to also a 3-point range of 4, 07. But we want to be ahead of the curve. Right? So we know that above 13, the bulls are in command, but have you ever heard of the concept of hat changing? Right? So if you take the breakout 13, yeah, sure, if we are expecting the price to go to 04, that's not bad, right? That's 8 points, right? Or 4, 13, whatever, 9 points. That's terrific, right? But isn't it better to know it before? Okay, so right now, the short-term strongest force is for the price to take 13 before taking 23. So in other words, we like to be ahead of the curve. CAPI, but that's tough, man. How can I go short here 17? This recoil of 17, I'm telling you, is strong enough to break 13. Our 13 that we've been playing all morning long. So we want to be ahead of the curve, right? It's okay to take the 13, but you know that that's going to be excruciating. You know that's how the smart money destroys the amateurs. It gives them fake breakouts. Breakouts are famous for being breakouts. Is it possible that, oh my God, but listen, 13 is support, so we should buy it? Yes, I know. But look at it. We should buy it knowing that a breakout is confirmation that it's gonna go to 04. Now, how is it gonna do it? In a straight line, nicely, beautiful, so that all the teenagers on YouTube can do it as well and buy Lamborghinis for real? No, that's not the way the market moves. Easy. Oh my God, look at that bounce, man, off of 13. I know, look at it. I know. You know 13, right? Oh my God, yeah, but you said that the price is going to take 13 before it takes 22. We have to watch the market second by second, tick by tick. Is it going to be easy? No. Are we in a job? We sure are. Okay. Oh, okay. Alrighty then. Oh my God, but I want to be ahead of the curve. Well, we patience. Let's see how the price behaves right here at 23. And then because we know ahead of time that there is a possibility the price is gonna take 13, it's gonna break 13 before it's gonna break 23 and go to the long 13 target 129, then play it. If you know that, then right, so we're long 13, the 13, no question, 13 long, 13 long, 13 long, right? Where to? 29. Don't touch that. That's the main play. Don't touch it. All right. If you don't want to counter trend, then don't take the short. Just put a trail, stop, break even, start trailing, and let it ride to 29. Period. You don't have to concern yourself with counter trending. Don't do it. Right? If you don't wanna go over the changing of hats and all that stuff, price comes, takes your truck, get the hell out. Simple. So what's the best risk reward ratio? In other words, well, we know that we are in a sideways wave, right? Which the high is 22, 23, right? 20, which we high is 23, and the low it's 08, right? Where the hell is it? Here it is, 08, right? So this is the low of the wave, and this is the high, 23. So if we believe that we are in a sideways action, future action, then what's the best risk reward ratio for that future taking of the low? Well, the high of the wave, right? Okay. So the bulls, what do we want? We want the price to take 23 so strongly, and we want the smart money to squeeze the bears all the way to 29 from 23. That's exactly what those of us who are long 13, main play, right? That's what we want. So we are the ones that are going to be we and Goldman, we are the ones that are going to be squeezing the weak bears when the price takes 23 and continue to 29, which is not going to happen easily, I'm telling you. It could, and if it does, terrific. We're done for today. But that's not what we are expecting to happen. Clean break. Clean, nice break of this double top right here. Then remember what I told you, 5-10 minutes ago. We are on our way to 29. So the long 13 here, look at this. Look at this beautiful 13 supports, 13 support, 13 supports. Bounce, bounce, bounce. The one that we've been after all morning long as the main play. Expecting the price to go to 21, to 29, target 1, right? Longer term. Remember that shorter term, in my humble opinion, I believe 23 is not going to be taken easily. But what we, those of us who are long bullish sentiment, long 13, we would love to see a clean break of 21. This one right here, clean break of 21. It'll, the odds increase that 23 is not going to stop it, and then we're comfortable on our way to 29. Is that going to happen? I don't think so. Could, but that's what we are all expecting. Longer term, shorter term, until I tell you, remember what I said. Price first is going to take 13 before it takes 23. Oh my God, Capi, but that's crazy. I know. It's called chop, But we want to know. so that we better manage our position. Well, CAPI, then I'm gonna get the hell out, man. I'm not gonna wait for the price to go to 29. I'm gonna get out 23. That's not a bad idea. All right. So depending on your position size, target one is target one. Our job is to ride it all the way to 29 because we are totally, completely different than all the other traders out there that they have no clue how to let it ride. All right. All the fake gurus in the trading industry tells you, right? Hey, listen, the secret is to let it ride and cut your losses fast. But they don't tell you how to do it, do they? This is how it's done.